Hello class, this is BK Yadav, and from today onwards we are starting video series of biology class 10th, and we are strictly following the ICSE syllabus. Today we are starting a new topic, that is cell structure. Cell structure, we divide a cell into three major parts, that is cell boundaries, cytoplasm and nucleus. In cell boundaries, we have structures like cell wall and cell membrane. Cell wall, it is absent in animals, it is found in plants, as you all know. Cytoplasm, the term was given by the Strasburger. Strasburger is a scientist who also discovered the chromosomes. And the detailed structure of the chromosomes we will see in the coming videos. Cytoplasm, we can divide the cytoplasm into two major sections, like cytosol, that is the hyloplasm, and trophoplasm. Trophoplasm, again, it is divided into two parts, that is cell organelles and non-living cell inclusions. So in trophoplasm we study about the cell organelles and non-living cell inclusions. Cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, centrosome, ribosomes, vacuoles, and many more. Non-living cell inclusions, these are the reserve products or the excretory products or the secretory products of the cell. Reserve products like cell used to reserve some of the products in form of carbohydrates, fats and oils, nitrogen products. Then excretory products, the cell used to excrete the waste products via exocytosis, like gums, then some kind of organic acids are there, then resins are there, then latex are there. These are some of the things which is excreted by the cell, because it is a waste material for the cell. It should be thrown out of the cell. Then secretory products like nectar, which is secreted in the flowers of the plant. Then coloring matter, which is produced by the flowers or the plant body. So these are secretory products which is found by the cell parts. So now coming to the cytosol, that is hyloplasm. Cytosol is the living matrix of the cell except the organelles. So if this is a cell, okay, if this is a cell, this is cell wall, this is cell membrane, this is cell membrane, this is cell wall, and inside the cell we have a cytoplasm, we have a nucleus also. In cytoplasm we find cell organelles also. So if we exclude the cell organelles from the cytoplasm, the things which remains in the cytoplasm is our cytosol, that is hyloplasm. So सेल साइटोप्लाज्म के अंदर से अगर हम सेल ऑर्गेनल्स को बाहर कर देते हैं तो जो चीज बचता है वो हमारा साइटोसोल है, दैट इज द लिक्विड मैट्रिक्स ऑफ द लिक्विड मीडियम ऑफ द सेल. एक चीज और इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है, साइटोप्लाज्म प्लस न्यूक्लियस, ये दोनों मिलकर बनाते हैं आपके प्रोटोप्लाज्म, विच इज द लिविंग पार्ट ऑफ द सेल. So this is very important. Cytoplasm plus nucleus, they form the protoplasm, which is the living part of the cell. First cell was discovered by the Robert Hooke in cock, which was the dead cell. But first living cell was described by the Anton von Leeuwenhoek. So this is how we classify these things to understand in more better. This is the overview of the chapter, but we will in the coming videos we will see these topics one by one in a detailed way. Thank you.